Introduction. Welcome to this video on mastering the art of video production. In this tutorial, we will be sharing some tips and techniques to help you achieve a perfect result in your video productions. Whether you're creating videos for business, social media, or personal use, these tips will help you take your videos to the next level. Tip 1. Plan ahead. The first step to mastering the art of video production is to plan ahead. This includes developing a script or outline, determining the equipment you'll need, scouting locations, and scheduling your shoot. Planning ahead will help you save time and ensure that you're prepared for every aspect of the production process. Tip 2. Focus on lighting and sound. Two of the most important elements of any video are lighting and sound. Proper lighting can make a huge difference in the quality of your footage, so make sure to use adequate lighting and adjust it as needed. Good sound quality is also essential, so use an external microphone if possible and monitor your audio levels throughout the shoot. Tip 3. Use high-quality equipment. Using high-quality equipment can make a significant difference in the quality of your video. Invest in a good camera, tripod, lighting equipment, and audio gear to ensure that your videos look and sound professional. Tip 4. Use different camera angles and shots. Using different camera angles and shots can add visual interest to your videos and make them more engaging. Try using wide shots, medium shots, and close-ups to capture different perspectives of your subject. Tip 5. Edit your videos carefully. The final step in mastering the art of video production is to edit your videos carefully. This includes trimming footage, adding music and sound effects, color correction, and adjusting the pacing of your video. Take your time and make sure that your video flows smoothly and effectively communicates your message. Conclusion. And there you have it, some tips and techniques to help you master the art of video production. Remember, the key to creating a perfect video is to plan ahead, focus on lighting and sound, use high-quality equipment, use different camera angles and shots, and edit your videos carefully. With practice and dedication, you can create videos that look and sound professional and captivate your audience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos, which are filled with fun and engaging content. Plus, it helps support our channel and motivates us to create more great content for you. So, don't wait any longer, hit that subscribe button now and join our community of 1,000 subscribers.